Hey guys, today I'll be making veggie pizza. So here are the ingredients. Some marinara sauce and some cheese and your ingredients. My ingredients are olives, onions, and garlic for taste. And the pizza crust I'm using is naan. So this is what you have to do. So first, you have to set the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, and then what you have to do is put some marinara sauce on the crust. And then spread it around all over. And then once you do that, it will turn out to be something like this. Something like this. And then you add the cheese to this. So you add the cheese. And then it would look something like these. And then you add your toppings. I'm gonna add the garlic first. Okay, and then the onions. Okay, and then the olives, I mean. That's enough. And then you might want to take an adult's help to put it in the oven, but you're basically done. So you need to wait 10 minutes for the oven to get heated up. So then you put it in the oven, obviously, and then leave it. And then leave it in there for about 9 minutes. And once it comes out, then you'll have a pizza. And that's how you make pizza. Bye guys. Give the video a thumbs up. Bye.